Okay, let's take a look at how to use the Fengfeng Assistant in Chenfeng software. Okay, first we search for the Fengfeng Assistant applet on WeChat. Okay, let's click search. After searching, it will jump to this small program of our Fengfeng Assistant. Then let's click in. After clicking in, it will enter the page of our scoring assistant. So like this scan code we have here. We can use it directly. For example, I am taking the test board number next to me as a case. Okay, then click to scan the code and click. You can see that after successfully scanning the QR code, it will display our board on our mobile phone. We must pay attention here when we scan or view the code. The premise is that we must have a packaging backend on the production side. If we do not package the background, it won't be able to read this information. Next, let's take a look at this single board. You can also adjust it by looking at, for example, I am in a transparent state now, is the state of an entity, and I can also hide or show it. If I hide this panel now, I want it to show, then I just click on Songzi. It's back to how it was originally. So if we want to use the mobile phone, look at our board. It's an order information. So what should we do? Let's just click on the order next to it. That's it. It will display our order number here, our dealers, and one of our other order information. It will all show up here. Okay, let's close it. You can see the words below. We can also see our version number, a related information about our version name, etc., and our specifications and sizes. Let's click on this panel. It will also light up quickly below. If we have multiple panels, we can also choose our cabinets above. Okay, let's go back. Here we can also enter the code in the second one. If we don't have a QR code on our board, then we can also go directly here. Enter our panel number to view our drawings. Okay, let's look at the following pile next. Let's click on this button to sort into piles. Here we need to log into our ingredient delivery management system. I quickly enter my account number now. After logging in, it will prompt us whether to allow the back end of our production side to use our camera. First, we must click the Allow button. After scanning the code, you can see that there will be a window for scanning the code here. Then we can add our order here. For example, if we click to add an order, just choose this order with our beta version number. You can also select all here. Of course, everyone bases their decision on their own actual situation. Okay, let's click to join. After successfully adding, next, just scan the QR code of my board. You can see here that it will jump to our progress. We'll show our stack 1. As you can see, let's close it. Here we will show that our order number has been divided into piles. Okay, let's exit again. Let's see next. Below us we also have a panorama. So this panoramic view. For example, let's click in. When we are not logged in, it will log us in. For example, if I click directly to log in now, good to verify my mobile number. Okay, we can see it after logging in. It will jump directly to our storm end. This panorama is managed. You can see that everything is synchronized here. So if we edit or delete it, we can also do it on the mobile phone. You can see that you can also change one of our validity periods here, or some of our related information can be changed here. We can also delete. Okay, let's go back. Next, let's look at our picture viewing option. Let's look at the picture. It's here at Shiv. We can see the drawings we share. We can put it on and off the shelves for collection, or we delete. Here we can also click to download our drawing. If we don't want, we can also delete it. Okay, let's take a look at this button on our board. Okay, let's click in. After clicking in, we can scan the code directly. You can see that it will directly and quickly identify our board here. We just scanned a QR code. Okay, let's click on the perspective. Here we can also switch our perspective. We'll want to use the right view, the left view, the front view, bottom view, rear view, southwest isometric side, etc. You can switch here. Okay, let's look at our second style. Here we can adjust the style of our single board. Of course we can also zoom. You can see that you can zoom in or out. Next we click on this style. Let's click on the two-dimensional wireframe. You can see that our current panel, it becomes a two-dimensional wireframe pattern. So let's click on the concept. It comes back to the view of our concept. Click to augment. You can see that it has the effect of increasing our reality. You can make changes here. You can also use this panel of ours. Let's set up a texture. There are also patterns including the direction of our door opening. Of course we have to switch to concept maps. When we close it, it won't be displayed on it. We just created an arrow pattern. Next, let's take a look at our annotation. After we click on the mark, it can quickly mark our board. Like our panels? If we don't mark the cabinet, we can select the above annotation. Make quick annotations. Next, let's look at this processing annotation. Processing marking can process the plate. You can see it will be displayed here. We can also switch our perspective here. We can also label it. It's the same as our TESTM. Okay, let's exit. Next, let's look at the bottom. Down here we can also switch our background color. For example, if you click on the background will be black. Click again and it will turn into our off-white color. You can also enter our version number above. Or we click to scan the code. It just scans in again. This version of ours. Okay, let's go back. Like the 6 below. It's what we usually use more often. Like the package below. And RU1 shared picture. We can also use. Fortunately, we have a video below. Here in the video we have to pay attention. Like our video. For example, if I click this button to come in, you can see it here. Basically they are a version of our 1.0. Of course, if we are like a newbie getting started, it is completely enough to see here. Good. Like we usually say, we can also search our ingredient school on the Bilibili website. After we jump out of our user, let's click in. After clicking in, you can see it here. We will make an update to a function point. Or a video of one of our related products. It will all be reflected here. If we don't know which one to look at, then we can also directly click on our collection. You can see that we are all divided here. For example, our CD function points video, video of medical collection data management system, Netgear update video, and one of our latest video tutorials will be reflected here. Everyone can learn according to their own needs. Next, look at our last official website button. Let's click in. Here we will be prompted that we are about to open Fuzhou Chenfeng Technology Co. Limited S Mini Program. Then let's click Allow. You can see it and it will jump to an official website of our company. Here we can check product information related to our company and one of our video tutorials. It will all be reflected here. You can also see a profile of one of our brands. The one in the middle is our product center. We'll display a version of our current product. Let's go back. Our little assistant Fengfeng is back again. We must wait here. Like Fengfeng's little assistant, we can log in directly. Just scan the code and bead code. There are also veneers like these. Just scan the QR code to use it directly. Panorama like this. We must log in before we can use it. Like the account we logged into. Our mobile phone number. It must be consistent with the mobile phone number in our backend. Otherwise, it won't be able to see our information. For example, my current computer number is my successful software training room. But I logged in with my mobile phone, after sales service department account. It's different from my backstage. There's no way to see it. I have the information here, so we must pay attention. The mobile phone number we log into, B1 with the backstage, 2.